Right then, it's the one and only Happy Hungry Hippie. Yes, that's me. Welcome to my show. What we're going to cover this week is something from the Falastin Cookbook. And what we're going to cover is a flavour bomb. Now, this is an absolutely essential condiment to have in for Palestinian and Middle Eastern food. It's absolutely a winner. Here's the recipe. It is a shatta or shatta, as it's pronounced here, and it's either using red or green chilies, and you can see it's absolutely amazing as a side just to cut through very rich food. And it's actually a really base ingredient in the cookbook here. So you can see here the scrambled red shashuka and the green shashuka. You can see here the red chilies is used on this and the green chilies in here. So really excited about trying different ingredients. I'm also going to place this into my playlist for flavour bombs, so please check it out. That's really building up now, and you can make foods in the week really quick. Add a flavour bomb, boom. So this is really easy to make. The core ingredients you need is 250 grams of green chilies or red chilies. Here's kind of like what I've done earlier with red chilies, and what you're doing with this is you're fermenting the chilies. Lemon, sea salt, organic unfiltered extra virgin olive oil, raw organic apple cider vinegar, and you can see here at the bottom all the sediment. This is the mother. So a real essential thing to have in also are one of these airtight jars. Really good, you can label this up. I've got a really good little printer here for doing labels by Dynamo. So just print this off. So let's get going. Then here we have it, the green Shatta sauce. This is an absolutely tremendous flavour bomb from the Falastin Cookbook. We're now going to use this into several recipes, which I'll also put in the playlist. Please also check out the playlist for Middle Eastern food, also flavour bombs, and I'll also reference a video where I use this in. So really hope you're enjoying this show. Please do subscribe. Also, turn on your notifications every 2 weeks on Tuesdays at 4 o'clock. Be there, be square. Enjoy.